Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a charming house for sale. It is located in the family-friendly neighborhood of Lavant Avenue in the sub-area of Camperdown. The unit, which was recently renovated, has a simple yet functional layout, comprising 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with an attached helper's room, complete with its own bathroom, and is move-in ready. The grounds are well maintained and ideal for entertaining family members and for gathering of friends. For the creative individuals, there is adequate space for expansion and upgrade of the property. Its central location also allows quick and easy access to schools, financial institutions, and shopping facilities, etc. This is a opportunity of a lifetime, not to be missed. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $411,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.